vegetables, sweet corn or corn, tomatoes, or you can say tomatoes, peas, asparagus, avocados, beans, zucchini, or we can say courgettes. This is UK, this is US. Once again, zucchini, courgettes, mushrooms, peppers, or we can say peppers, potatoes, onions. Pay attention to this letter O, pronounce the A. It's like a bus, A. So onions, lettuce, cabbage, eggplants. This is US. Aubergines, this is UK. Broccoli, spinach, cucumbers, sweet potatoes. I am crazy about this one. Sweet potatoes, garlic, artichokes, cauliflower, leeks, butternut squash, carrots,